back, and those who are new to this channel, it is run by an ex-IELTS examiner, and of course you have the classes, group classes, the evaluation services. I do it live, but this time it was very confusing. All the writing, especially of academic and general, I am going to do the review of both of them, and it is going to be a long video because I am doing for the both, and it is not a waste of time because you can check your answers, and then of course those who have not given the exams, they can also check how to write. So please subscribe if you have not, and like if you find it useful, and definitely you will find it. I have my community and you can join that for free resources. Now see, now आपको confusion कहाँ हुआ है? I'll tell you. The best way to reduce the number of traffic accidents is to raise the age limit for the young drivers. Means young drivers के लिए आपको age limit raise करना है, बढ़ाना है. So suppose it is 18, it should be made 20, right? And lower the age limit. Suppose the age limit is 60, it should be made 50 or whatever. So what is confusing here is, what you have confused here is that आपने सोचा है कि मैम खाली ये हम इसमें एग्री कर रहे हैं, है ना? We are only agree on the first point. So you have written only for the first, and the second you have not written, क्योंकि वो तो lower the age limit for the elder ones. You have not touched that. So your task response goes down. You forgotten or you have not done anything for this. You could even say that it should be kept the same. You should have said it should be, there are so many options. Kept the same, but for the elderly it should be lowered. So there are so many options. It should be kept the same, or it should be, for the elderly it should be lowered. Or you should say, you should agree with the statement that yes, the drivers it should be raised for the young ones, and for the seniors it should be lowered. So it could be any, but you have not done that. You have only given one side. I have agreed with the statement. I have not partially, there is no partial for this. You can't partially agree or partially disagree. So I have done agreement, and this is a 8 plus bad answer. You can see for yourself. And it is giving the examples and with the topic, sentence and all that. And then it becomes very long, and you people don't want to see long videos. You think it is a waste of time. आपको तो वो छोटा छोटी अच्छी लगती है. Please don't waste your time. Be through the video, नहीं तो समझ में ही नहीं आएगा क्या हुआ है. Okay, traffic accidents are a major concern, okay, leading to significant loss. See the language of life and property. So this is a general statement. One proposed solution. So it is also, I forgot to tell you, it is also a solution, problem solution essay. All enrolled in one. See, they are very clever. One proposed solution is to reduce the number of traffic accidents or collisions, you can say, okay, collisions, not traffic collisions, but collisions is to raise or increase, you could say. I have written it, अभी मैंने फटाफट लिखा है. The age limit for the young drivers or younger drivers, young भी लिख सकते हो, and lower the age limit of the seniors. You can also write seniors. I agree with this proposition as it addresses the specific risks. है ना, specific risk को associate with these age groups, ultimately resulting in or enhancing the road safety. Extempo भी चलेगा, चाहे लिखा भी है, ultimately resulting in भी हो सकता है, extempo चलेगा. Now first one I have said raising the age. See gerund से for young, फिर बहुत ज़्यादा explain करूँगी तो आप सोचोगे कि इतनी लॉन्ग हो गई है वीडियो, पर एक ही अच्छी तरह से देख लोगे ना तो सारा ठीक हो जाएगा. Raising the age limit for young drivers can significantly reduce the traffic accidents, as this group is often more prone to risky behavior and lacks driving experience. उनका experience ही नहीं होता. Young drivers, particularly teenagers, are statistically more likely to engage. Statistically means it has been shown in the studies. Engage in reckless driving, speeding and distracted driving due to their underdeveloped decision making skills. वो decision नहीं make कर सकते. And propensity means frequency of risk taking. They take risk. For example, studies have shown that the drivers aged this are involved in a disproportionately high number of fatal means जिससे मर जाता है बंदा accidents compared to the other age groups. By raising the legal, raising लिखा है यहाँ पे, we can ensure that drivers have more maturity and better judgment before they are allowed to operate a vehicle, thereby reducing the likelihood of accidents caused by inexperience and impulsive behavior. ये सारा जो मैंने risk वगैरह वो I have just repeated. Now see the PDFs, the final version of the part 1 speaking and part 2 and 3 is there, my final version, and it is different from Makkad. Okay, so you can claim that. Also I have real exam questions, there are 130 or more of them, you can also take them. Okay, so the number is 7888 605 487. I am just making it fast. On the other hand, lowering the age limit for the seniors or senior drivers can also contribute to the safer roads as people age. जैसे age हो जाती है, their physical and cognitive means mental abilities such as vision पर cognitive लिखेंगे, reaction time, okay, and the decision making skills वो भी decline हो जाते हैं, है ना. These impairments मतलब properly काम नहीं करता, can increase the risk of accidents or collisions or whatever among the older drivers. यहाँ पे older लिख दिया मैंने. For instance, elderly example दे दिया, may struggle with complex traffic situations. इधर से भी आ रही है गाड़ी, उधर से भी आ रही है. Slower reaction है ना, उनका एकदम reflex इसको कहते हैं, reflex ज़्यादा नहीं होता. And reduce the ability to judge the distances accurately, नहीं judge कर पाते. By implementing a lower age limit for the elderly drivers, we can prevent accidents caused by age-related impairments, means malfunction you can also say here. अब extempo चलेगा, ठीक है बेटा, पूरा देखना, कोई फायदा नहीं है ऐसे. और जो जनरल है, सॉरी, उसका भी है, नो एडिटिंग इज डन फॉर दिस. जनरल का भी मैं बता रही हूँ. दिस मेजर वुड इंकरेज ओल्डर इंडिविजुअल्स टू ट्रांजिशन टू ऑल्टरनेटिव वो मोड्स लेंगे. ये मैं सोल्यूशन बता रही हूँ, और ये प्रॉब्लम सोल्यूशन ऐसे भी है. देखो, आपको कह देते हैं ना कि टेम्पलेट्स ले लो और ऐसे कर लेना, तो ये तो ऐसे आप कर ही नहीं पाओगे. ऑल्टरनेटिव मोड्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन सच एज पब्लिक ट्रांजिट or ride sharing services, ensuring their safety as well as of the other road users. जो और भी हैं वो लग का भी ठीक होता है. अब कंक्लूजन मैंने लिखा है, वही जो रिपीट करूंगी, नो न्यू आइडिया. रेजिंग द एज लिमिट फॉर द यंगर ड्राइवर्स एंड लोअरिंग द एज लिमिट फॉर elderly ones are effective measures to reduce the number of traffic accidents. By addressing the specific risks associated with these age groups, we can enhance the road safety and protect lives. ये एक recommendation होता है. It is also a type of conclusion. Implementing these age limits would ensure that that only individuals with adequate maturity and physical capabilities are allowed to drive, thereby reducing the incidence of traffic accidents and creating safer road for everyone. So let's see now what happens in the task 1 in general. So for the task 1 academic, it was a bar graph. Sorry for that dog जो बोल रहा है. Okay, then task 1 general was, यहाँ पे क्या गड़बड़ की है? Right, बड़ा easy था पर गड़बड़ कर गए. Letter to the principal in regards to an evening course, यहाँ तक ठीक था. You took that doesn't match the description. Provide details on the course, explain what problem, क्या problem था, and you have to fix. So provide the details, ये तो first paragraph, explain the problem. अब प्रॉब्लम आप और ही कुछ बता रहे हो कि मेरे को सम स्टूडेंट आर सेइंग दैट आई डिड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड द टीचर. रीजन क्या है? मैच द डिस्क्रिप्शन मीन्स सपोज उनके कोर्स में लिखा था दैट देयर विल बी प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग, है ना, ऑफ 50 आवर्स एंड दे आर ओनली ऑफरिंग यू ओनली ऑफ 5 आवर्स. So there is a problem. What is of the description? You should understand this. Then task 2 also was a bit tricky. People buying new devices such as da ये तो ठीक हो गया. Why do they do it? उनका reason चाहिए थे, ये reasons. And is it a good or bad thing? Means is it a positive development or a negative development? So you could write either positive, negative, but the reasons why they are buying, है ना? Suppose they are getting rich और दे वांट टू शो ऑफ. अब मैं अगर करने लग जाऊंगी एक्सटेम्पो तो बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा हो जाएगा. ओके, द लिसनिंग वाज इजी ओवरऑल एंड रीडिंग इन एकेडमिक वाज easy to moderate. Perhaps there was a difficulty with the last paragraph. And suppose, please, I hope you have liked the video and it is not a waste of your time. And remember, it is an ex-IELTS examiner giving you all these answers free of cost. Please spread the word.